Hey everyone, so we are going to deep dive around this. This is building LLM from scratch. So what is this? I first will show you. This is project that I built. First demo, then go to the. First I show this website. So first this is the LLM overview. What is 18 is a GPT-1, then GPT-2 and GPT-3. That is crazy, and that is all GPT pipeline or the timeline. So you can see this 2025. So here the model explorer. Here is the model. This is GPT model explorer and Llama. Llama. This is Llama and DeepSeek and Qwen. This is open source all. And this is the parameter, the model size and parameter. You see this how billion parameter each model. This is more parameter. And here is the pipeline, is the pre-training, then supervised, then final. This is LLM overview and fundamental and foundation, and the data collection. How LLM is trained in the model. First collect the data set. Okay. And that's data cleaning, then tokenization, then architecture. This is attention, that's all you need this paper. And this is the text generation, SFT, the supervised fine tuning. Then is the RLHF is the then evolution. This is good or not, and that's chat. Okay, chat decision. This is the all that I show you. That's how it works. Like something is, you just say hello and it give you feedback. It's like it's ChatGPT. So you know about the ChatGPT is the temperature and architecture and design. But how actually work everything is a context window. What is a context window? This at level. So everything is the beginner for the playground. So this is the project of the playground, the LLM Playground 101. API, config, data, evolution, generation, model, taste, training, UI, and example. That is the environment example. So here is all the project and project information, everything. How this project is work and everything about REMI file, and this step by step, how many data uses, GPU requirement, the project structure, everything from web scraping, data cleaning, and step by step everything. Okay, here the model architecture and the DeepSeek. So is the Qwen. So that is everything. This model, I'm not going to deep dive as this is big project, so it be take around 1 or 2 hours if I'm going to go in deep dive as possible as. But I'm trying to be give you overview of this project and how I build it and what I build. So is the tutorial, and is the tutorial that you can understand what we did and why we did. Okay, this is the basic thing that I will share the complete tutorial project to building LLM. So it's one, maybe I'm just made a mistake. This is project 1. So why I made a mistake, that is the project not 2, is be 1. So this will be 1. Okay, fine, that was I made a mistake. Fine, not a big deal. Okay, there's a small mistake. So the most beginner friendly tutorial debug. This is the roadmap. Everything we will be cover, what we building and why. Overall LLM and foundation, pure training, data collection, data cleaning, tokenization, architecture, neural network transformer, GPT family, and that stack generation, and green search, bean search, and top K, fill on top P, and the post training. It's like a supervised fine tuning and human reinforced learning and human real feedback. Verify talks, UART model, and PPO and evolution. Okay, fine, everything. What we are building and why. That is the part. And if I'm going to do everything is covered, it's take a lot of time. You can imagine how in deep is this project. It's not a project, it's the product, I'd say that, because as a normal project, as anyone can build you this. What we are building and why. LLM Playground, let me recommend this. You know how OpenAI web calling the ChatGPT Playground, where you can type messages of the AI, change the setting, temperature, and text messages. The different this why building the project. If you are become the car mechanic, you don't just read book about the car. You open, hold, and lock the inside. A LLM Playground is how you open the hook and AI. By building the project, you will be understand how LLM actually work, not just use them. Learn to control model behavior through the setting. Understand what happened each step and building something real for your profile. The big picture, how LLM born. Before going too deep, let me give you the full flow review. So how LLM created. Collect data, billion of text document from the internet, clean data, bad duplicate, harmful text, and tokenization, then pre-training, then post-training, then deploy, then evaluation, how good model actual. This is all this full pipeline. That's LLM, but it's technical in deep more. Okay, part 1, LLM overview foundation. This is all foundation and overview. This is theory part. So what make it large? A large LLM mean a large number of parameters. Okay, this is going to be this is the next text generation. This is just attention, what the next. Okay, that's something else like that. What make the large? Okay, the world large language model parameter, so is billion parameter maximus expert. So this is all the story. And why LLM powerful? Understand grammar, phrase, and everything. That's be all. Okay, the chill learning language. Okay, that's it. Okay, alright. LLM are extremely this massive scale. The timeline from the world model LLM and grammar and grammar is counted sequence takes. Probably only can look at the 2 and 3 words. Statistic and this is statistic model. This as you are working with the ML, then you must be know about that. RNN LSTM transformer invested and key movement RAG GPT-1 GPT-2 GPT-3 and GPT-5 pre-training data collection core problem to training LLM the understanding language. You need to ensure the amount of text, how much. Let me put in the preparation. This is the where does the all this text come from? One, manual crawling. What, web scraping. Imagine the gaze website and read. This is web crawler. This is the website. You just go and collect the dataset, which the website including an example Wikipedia, news article, common query. That is the has been querying synthesis, make the data free, public, anyone can has to be use it. Think of the common queries is a massive snapshot and combination real world analyze. The common queries is like a photographer who and photo and stream the world. He can do his photo and inside this like not this way. You know about this. I already shared this information on the project. So what rag data look like. And let me show you what actually get from the web scraping rag web data. This you have the data. This is a click here, buy now, limited time. So this is the best show ever. But this is the data, so we just call it this data set, and we're praising. This is all data screening problem. Oh, that's gonna be data cleaning. This is gonna be a long time. I think it's take a long time, data cleaning. Okay, fine, whatever, I'm just take the time and be focused. Data cleaning, why data cleaning critical here, the powerful analyze image your technical chill, bad technical bad every books, and merging spam email, and it will be well fine. Garbage in, garbage out, what bad data look like. Let me categorize the problem. Technical noise, HTML, low quality context, click here, buy now. Okay, harmful content, hate speech and distraction violation, and duplicated language smith. And the three famous data set, RefinedWeb, domain web finding, and the RefinedWeb. And factor LLM, you don't need to carefully correct dataset from hand-picked source. You just need to well-filled common query dataset. Okay, most people throw you need to book, Wikipedia, science paper, web data. Okay. How RefinedWeb playing out step by step, and you will stay. Okay, fine. Dataset, Dolma. Is the most important part to call it the data set when you're building LLM model. Without data is nothing, so it's take a time long data set FineWeb. So Hugging Face, realize some size and what to make this space and everything, so it take a lot of time. This is spam garbage remove. This is very useful. Keep it, and this is remove it. Side by side comparison, creator source, final key lesson from data cleaning. The most important rule in LLM dataset, better to have one clean token than data quality is single most important factor. Okay, tokenization, BPE, byte pair economy. Fast intuition, what is token? Before explain, token are not necessarily that the same as a word. Sometimes one take one word, cat, sometimes one take part of one taken, running, round. Okay, that is the how. Why not just use ladder, if ladder once, token once. So 11, so problem very long sequence process, transfer this as a token just for at the word. Oh, that is the lengthy process. Then is a BPE, by pair encoding, step by step. The case idea, start, introduce character, find the most common pair and character, merge them into the one token pair. This, let me show you with the detailed example. Here's step, and low, lower, lowest. Fine, this is the three section, low, lower, and lowest. So and they how merge the most frequent pair, count pair against, and continue merging, and keep going until the target vocabulary size. You repeat this process until you reach your desired vocabulary size. Token, modern models. After training your vocabulary content, BPR interface, encoding new text. When you say the new word, you apply the learn merge rule. I love article iteration. Another example. YBP is billion. And the token economy, why the matter for you. Here the practical reason tokenization matter for the builder. OpenAI charge you per token, not per word. Hello, how are you? This is this word and this token. So you this article. Okay. Then we focus this architecture. Why architecture matter? Architecture is the design model itself. Think like a different between bicycle, simple, limited. There's a limited, and sports car fast, it's complex. Rocket is increased, powerful, different principle, different architecture, different capable disparate, and this is neural architecture, and this is before we the strand. The problem, do you need a neural? Solve all approach. This is a problem. Negative. Not only is positive correctly. Biology inspiration. Human brain. 86 billion neural. Oh my god. And neural network. And building a neural network from zero, building is what is activation function? This is how neural network learn back preparation. Important algorithm model. Backend error, calculated loss, forward pass, update wide gradient descent, repeated million of time. The transformer architecture, why this architecture is matter. The main problem, RNN. The transformer solution. Attention is all you need, the paper. Google Brain published paper with the both this title claim you don't need to RNN, attention is recognition alone, this enough. The transformer architecture and the pre-processes. The transformer architecture pitch by pitch. The cat sat on the mat, the tokenization. Add learners speed forward. The self-attention mechanism, the heart of transformer. This is the most important thing in understand this all the model. The core question is self-attention answer. For each of the token, ask which other token in this sentence should I pay the attention. Example, the cat sat on the mat was be fully. When the processing it should attend heavily to cat. Cat should not be attend. it mad is this case self-attention learn to make this connection. Okay, so QKB mechanism, example, sample, self-attention. There are three mechanism. Library, analyze image, Qwen query, use search query. I want to book about space exploration. This is the I want to book about the space exploration. This is the query, the search. The key, the description level, the each of the books, space exploration history, ocean biology, Mars mission. The actually context, the book value, all the context space, all the context ocean, all the context Mars. The value. Okay, this is the step-by-step self-attention map. What looking for, what offer, it's actually context. Okay. For token cat comparison, step 2, square the score, divide by the dimension of the key vector, square factor, square. Why square without scaling score good to large higher dimensional vector square escape and all the softmax converge probability. This is softmax converge probability. Attention wide, cat attend the most itself while the sun is the value. The full formula, attention, multi-head attention, and y is billion. Okay, that's we are cover everything this all, so it take a lot of time session GPT. So this is I'm not building for give everything explain you step by step. I just build you because of I give you and show you this all everything text generation method. The core problem after you pre-training your model can calculation whether and everything bin search top case simple. Okay, this is all, and I'm not to give the technical everything and give you read everything and give you explain what is SFT is a supervised fine tuning. So and question answer in the supervised fine tuning, famous data set and how is training work, and our human reinforced learning human feedback, and step-by-step point, verify tasks, complete training, direction. And part 4 evaluation is the one of the most why is so hard. LLM is going to harder problem in LLM traditional software. It does this like that, is not give the one answer at that time, and this is the difficult part. There the subtraction question, there is no single right answer. Good mean different thing for different tasks. So traditional matrix, what are the traditional matrix? Traditional matrix try to automatically measure the quality is the completion model output reference the answer. They are fast, they're cheap, and they're absurd. And this is perplexity. What is the perplexity? Why perplexity? How confused and surprised the model is the text and formula. Where the intuition, low perplexity. The model find this next very predictable. it's assigned high probability to correct next token. Good model understand language well. High perplexity, the model is very supervised by this next. Okay, critical limitation proposition. The floor. The cat sat on the floor. Okay, that is the score. There's the floor, on the floor, on the floor. Then task specific benchmark. Here the math part. Human evolution leaderboard. Chatbot. This is evolution website. LLM as a judge. Open LLM leaderboard Hugging Face. Okay, that is everything. So that is the website. I also share the link, and that is the technical blog. So I share this Substack, and I also share this Medium. So I just go to deep dive building the LLM Playground from scratch end to end, life cycle, data collection, cleaning, and transformer operating, and everything. And this is the GitHub link. So this is a live. Okay, I also share this. Table context, the hook, why most do not actually understand LLM. What are you building the project, data collection, data cleaning, tokenization, and everything. This is the cover, and this is the technical blog. How look at why most developer don't actually understand the LLM. Most developer who say they understand LLM actually don't understand in teeny piece of the API. Okay, you input a winner, the pass message, and breaking this everything in temperature, and this is become the here this thinking nobody will tell you. LLM is not a black box, it's the pipeline along the massive and human pipeline that start with the growing the website and the API chat. Okay, what is the article about? I recently completed this project one, become a AI engineer course. I built a LLM Playground. That's a development system and graduated and architecture. Okay, what is this? This end-to-end LLM life cycle, data collection, cleaning, tokenization, migrated spreading, and this everything. Okay, fine. I hope I understand this. And what we are building, project overview. And this is the project overview. And this is the project. So here's the link. You just come here, and this is the project. Okay, fine. And what is the stake? We are building the project stake. This is all everything. And optional. This is the project, everything. Okay. And here the playground. Next.js using data collection, growing the data. This is data source like that, and data cleaning. We data cleaning part time. Then we go web scrape and web Tokenization building from scratch. Model architecture in GPT. Transformer block. And yeah, the pre-training and everything. This is okay. This is all covered. So I'm just not give the more in depth. So I just share everything all with you, so you can and read it and understand this project and everything. So I'm just share with you everything, so that way you can read, understand, and work on it and build your own like start. Okay, bye.